fuck up and now he's gonna fucking push the record button.
It's your recording.
Oh my god.
Okay. Thank you so much. This is Everovin, all 2 pieces.
And Bailey has no idea how to sing this, so let's all laugh.
Oops.
Oh, I just missed the intro.
Oops. That's why I didn't know where I was going.
No shit! Oh my god, I stepped up a couple of times. And your friends almost saying it.
I don't know the
And
song.
then you're like,
No, you're really loud again.
Okay.
I don't want to fall
and then
in
just
pieces.
turn us off mic.
It's very hard to sing that you don't know that well. You're like sitting there. I fall to pieces, and I don't want and I don't want a conversation, and I just want to cry in front of you. Yay!
Oh, well, does this set up or quiet?
And I'll be reading it at the same time, so I'll be like, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Yeah.